So for a lot of people in Eastern North Carolina and even around where we are right now, that's what their life looks like. They're digging up out of the storm and pulling water off their houses and out of their homes. And so we want to make a difference, and we know that you do too, because church, you have a generous heart, and so we want to demonstrate that generosity as well. So therefore, we've decided for hurricane relief as an initial step to dedicate 1 week's offering, $22,225, which is 2.25 times more than we did last year for the hurricane down in Texas, because we want to be generous. We're going to be splitting that relief among 4 of our partners: World Vision, Samaritan's Purse, and Baptist and Methodist relief efforts that are going on in the state. We're really excited about that. We also are going to be receiving offerings in the weeks to come. If God has hit your heart with that and you want to go to your pocket and say, we want to generously help as well, you can either on the drop-down menu online at thepoint.cc/give, or on Sunday you can put hurricane on an envelope. We're going to add that to hurricane relief in the days and weeks to come. As far as hands-on things like going to rebuild and stuff like that, it's too soon for us to do so. We do want to thank our women's group that meets on Thursdays that have already prepared 40 buckets of hope at the cost of a church of about $1,300 that are immediately going to be going down this weekend to make a difference for people initially as they dig up out of it. Just thank you so much, church, for being generous. As we make progress here, we're going to help them make progress there. In Jesus' name, we love you. Thank you for your generous heart. We'll see you this weekend as we begin a brand new series about setting goals by faith as God transforms our lives one by one, one step at a time. You guys have a great week.